The irresistible world of burgers. Burgers are one of the most popular and beloved foods around the world. Whether you're enjoying a classic beef burger, a juicy chicken patty, or even a veggie burger, they're a quick, delicious, and satisfying meal. Perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family BBQ, a quick lunch, or a late-night snack. Burgers have earned their place as a food favorite in many countries. The burger as we know it today began in the United States in the early 20th century. It is believed that German immigrants brought the idea of a hamburger steak to America, which was eventually served in a bun to make it easier to eat on the go. Today, burgers come in all shapes and sizes, with countless variations of patties, buns, and toppings. You can choose from beef, turkey, chicken, or even plant-based patties if you prefer a meatless option. One of the best things about burgers is how customizable they are. You can create your perfect burger by adding different cheeses, sauces, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles, or even unique toppings like avocado, bacon, or a fried egg. Whether you like your burger simple and classic or loaded with toppings, there's no limit to how you can make it your own. Burgers can also be surprisingly nutritious if you make a few healthy swaps. For example, using a whole wheat bun instead of a white one, adding more vegetables like spinach and tomatoes, or choosing lean meats or plant-based patties can make your burger more balanced. Pair it with a side of baked fries or a salad, and you have a complete meal. 3 fun facts about burgers. 1. The world's largest burger weighed over 2,000 pounds and was made in the US. 2. Americans eat over 50 billion burgers every year. 3. The first fast food burger chain, White Castle, was founded in 1921, and it helped popularize the idea of mass-produced burgers. Burgers are more than just food, they're a symbol of casual dining and a favorite comfort meal. Whether you're cooking at home or grabbing one from your favorite restaurant, burgers will always be a crowd pleaser. What do you think about today's topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.